Have you ever wondered if you could actually make money online, not just as a side thought but as a real achievable goal? Maybe you've seen stories of people who seem to have cracked the code, working from their living rooms, coffee in hand, and wondered if that could ever be you. Just like those people you see on social media, sharing their journeys and successes, living life on their own terms, and making it look so effortless. It might seem complicated, like you need a website, a big following, or lots of cash to start. Maybe you think you need to be an influencer or have some special skill set that you just don't have, but that's not true. There's a way for complete beginners to start earning today, even if you've never tried anything like this before. You don't need to be a business expert or have years of experience. Imagine earning income from home, on your own schedule, even while spending time with family. Picture yourself working in your favorite spot, whether that's your kitchen table, your couch, or even your backyard, all while staying close to the people who matter most. This isn't a fantasy, it's a real opportunity available to you right now. People from all walks of life are making it happen, and you can too. You don't need to be a tech expert or marketing pro. You don't need fancy equipment or a complicated setup. All you need is a device with internet access and a willingness to learn. All you need is a willingness to follow a few simple steps. There are easy-to-follow guides and resources designed for people just like you, making the process straightforward and stress-free. The biggest barrier is thinking you're not qualified, but you don't need to code, design, or run ads. You don't need to spend months learning complicated skills or investing in expensive courses. What if you could use a proven system where the hard work is already done for you? Imagine having access to a platform that's already set up, tested, and ready to go, so you can focus on what matters: getting results. You get access to tools that are already working for others. These are the same resources that have helped thousands of people start earning online, even if they started with zero experience. This is about building a real, sustainable income stream from home. It's not just a quick fix or a passing trend, it's a way to create lasting financial freedom and flexibility. You can start with just a few hours a week and see real results. Whether you want to supplement your income or eventually replace your 9-to-5, the choice is yours. The first step is simply deciding to try, because earning online is more accessible than ever. The opportunity is here, waiting for you to take action and turn your dream of working from home into your new reality. So, what is affiliate marketing? Let's dive into the details. It's simple. You recommend a product, service, or even a digital course that you believe in. And if someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a middleman, but without the hassle. You don't create the product, handle customer service, or ship anything. All those logistics are taken care of by the company. You're just connecting people with something they need or want, making their lives easier. For example, if you love a coffee brand and share a special link with a friend, you get paid if they buy. It's that straightforward. Online, this works on a much bigger scale. Imagine reaching thousands of people with just a few clicks. The company handles all the hard parts: product creation, payments, logistics. You just focus on sharing the link. Your job is to share your unique affiliate link through social media, blogs, or even emails. It's one of the easiest, lowest risk ways to start earning online. You can do it from anywhere, at any time. You don't need to be a marketing expert, just share what you like and believe in. Authenticity goes a long way. The product does the selling for you. Your genuine recommendation is what drives the sale. You're simply the bridge between the customer and the product. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Everyone wins. The customer gets what they want, the company makes a sale, and you earn a commission. It's a beautiful cycle. It's honest, straightforward, and accessible to anyone. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking for a side hustle, affiliate marketing can work for you. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It democratizes earning potential and opens up opportunities for everyone. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's talk about how you can start fast. The Ambassador program is built for beginners who want to earn commissions without the usual hassles. It's a plug-and-play system, no need to figure things out alone. You get a complete toolkit to start earning right away. Normally, you'd have to find products, apply, and create your own marketing materials. The Ambassador program skips all that. You're instantly approved to promote a proven product. All the marketing materials, emails, and sales funnels are done for you. You get a clear step-by-step roadmap, no technical skills required. This is your chance to partner with a successful product and skip the hard parts. The program supports you every step of the way. All you have to do is take action. It's the perfect starting point for anyone curious about making money online. The Ambassador program stands out from the crowd by offering an incredibly generous 50% commission on every single sale you make. This isn't just a small bonus. It's a real opportunity to earn a significant income from each customer you refer. With half the revenue from every sale going directly to you, your path to reaching your income goals becomes much shorter and more achievable. Imagine seeing your earnings grow with every successful referral, and knowing that your efforts are truly rewarded. But the Ambassador program isn't just about high commissions or quick wins. It's about giving you the resources and support you need to build a sustainable, long-term business online. You'll have access to a complete suite of done-for-you marketing tools, everything from professionally written email sequences and compelling lead magnets to high-converting webinars that are ready to use right out of the box. There's no need to spend hours writing copy, designing graphics, or figuring out what works. All the heavy lifting has already been done for you by marketing experts. All you have to do is copy, paste, and share these proven materials. The system is designed so that even if you have zero experience, you can start promoting and seeing results almost immediately. You'll also get access to irresistible lead magnets like ebooks and free reports, which are perfect for attracting new potential customers and building your email list effortlessly. Plus, you can invite people to attend a free, value-packed webinar. The best part? The presentation does all the selling for you, so you don't have to worry about pitching or closing sales yourself. This means you can earn commissions passively, even while you're busy with other things, or simply enjoying your day. From day one, you'll have a professional marketing setup at your fingertips, making you look like an expert even if you're just starting out. There's no need to spend months learning complicated systems or building everything from scratch. You can skip the trial and error and jump straight into what's already proven to work. With high-ticket products, big commissions, and a complete digital toolkit, you have everything you need to succeed as an affiliate marketer. You're not just another affiliate, you're an ambassador, equipped with a powerful set of tools and resources to help you stand out and thrive. The program is designed to support your success. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting your very first online venture, everything you need is ready to go, so you can launch your business, start earning, and achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Worried about the tech side? Don't be. With the Ambassador program, you don't need a website, no building, designing, or paying for one. You also don't need to spend money on ads. Many online businesses require expensive advertising, but not here. The program teaches you how to get free traffic, so there's no financial risk. If you can use email and social media, you have all the skills you need. No complicated software, no coding, no integrations. Just share your unique link using simple free methods. The process is streamlined for anyone, regardless of age or background. Focus on sharing your link. The technical stuff is handled for you. It's the easiest way to start earning online, no tech headaches required. Content creation can be intimidating, but with the Ambassador program, you don't have to create anything. No writing blog posts, filming videos, or posting daily on social media. The program gives you a library of professional, ready-to-use media, videos, images, and more. These materials are high quality and designed to grab attention. Just download and share them on various platforms. You get a polished online presence without any creative work. Save time and energy, no need to film, edit, or design. Your job is to distribute, not create. Leverage the work of professionals and focus on sharing your link. It's like having a creative team working for you, for free. So, how do you get people to see your link? Free organic traffic. The Ambassador program teaches you how to share your link in places where people are already searching for solutions. You'll learn to use social media groups and communities. No need to be an influencer. Share valuable lead magnets in relevant groups, and interested people will click your link. Use provided media to create simple posts or videos on platforms like Pinterest or YouTube. No filming required. The training shows you how to get discovered by people searching for answers. Consistency is key. Spend 20-30 minutes a day sharing content in the right places. Over time, these small actions add up to steady, free traffic. That's how you build real income without spending on ads. Still wondering if you can do this? Absolutely. The Ambassador program is built for total beginners, no marketing or tech experience needed. Every step is clear and simple, with no jargon or confusion. You don't have to be creative or persuasive. The system does the heavy lifting. The emails, webinars, and product are all proven to work. Your job is to follow a few simple daily tasks. Anyone, parents, retirees, students, or 9-to-5ers can succeed. Your background doesn't matter, your willingness to follow the plan does. The opportunity is open to everyone. Don't let self-doubt stop you. You get a complete roadmap, all the tools, and a high-converting offer. Thousands have started with less support. You have a unique advantage. The system is designed for you to win. You now know how simple affiliate marketing can be with the Ambassador program. You get 50% commissions, done-for-you tools, and no need for a website, ads, or content creation. The system uses free traffic and requires zero experience. The only question is, are you ready to start? Today could be the day you take control of your financial future. There's no cost to join. Sign up for free and get instant access. See the tools, training, and your unique link today. There's no risk. Just try it and see your first commission come in. That first sale proves it works. Build momentum toward your income goals, whether it's $500 a month or more. All it takes is the decision to start. Click the link below, sign up, and see how easy it can be. This is your chance. Don't wait. Let's begin this journey together.